Welcome to Guitar Power Up. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Outta Pocket from 24kGoldn's new album, Dorado. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for lessons from this artist, and visit guitarpowerup.com for more videos. Enjoy! So this entire song is made up of 5 chords that repeat. I'll play it for your normal speed, and then I'll slow it down for you. And that's it for Outta Pocket. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for lessons from this artist, and visit guitarpowerup.com for more videos. Thanks.